Subscribe, like, and share Cosmo Academia. India, a land of vibrant colors, rich history, and captivating aromas. But beyond its beauty lies a hidden treasure, its food. Indian cuisine is not just about sustenance. It's an art form, a symphony of flavors that dance on your tongue. It's a tapestry woven with threads of tradition, culture, and regional diversity. From the snow-capped Himalayas to the sun-kissed beaches of Kerala, each region boasts a unique culinary identity. The north tempts you with its rich, buttery curries and tandoor-cooked delights. The south tantalizes with its spicy coconut-infused gravies and delicate rice dishes. But the real heart of Indian food lies on its bustling streets. Street food in India is a sensory overload, a kaleidoscope of colors, aromas, and sounds that assault your senses in the best way possible. It's a celebration of life, a testament to the ingenuity and passion of the people. So come, dear reader, and join me on a culinary journey through the heart of India. Let us savor the flavors, embrace the chaos, and discover the magic that is Indian cuisine. Subscribe, like, and share Cosmo Academia. Imagine this. You're walking down a crowded street, the air thick with the scent of spices and sizzling oil. Vendors call out their wares, their voices a melodic hum against the backdrop of honking cars and chattering crowds. This, my friends, is the soul of India. It's street food. Street food in India is not just about grabbing a quick bite. It's an experience, a ritual that brings people together from all walks of life. Whether you're a student on a budget or a businessman looking for a quick lunch, you'll find something to tantalize your taste buds on the streets of India. From the iconic pani puri with its explosion of tangy, spicy flavors, to the humble samosa stuffed with potatoes and peas, every street food dish has a story to tell. These recipes have been passed down through generations, each bite a testament to the culinary heritage of India. But street food is not just about tradition, it's also about innovation. Vendors are constantly experimenting with new flavors and ingredients, creating fusion dishes that reflect the changing palate of modern India.
Yes, we love to try new things. Customers always want something different, so we mix traditional recipes with new twists. It keeps the food exciting and fresh.
Subscribe, like, and share Cosmo Academia. Let's talk about the stars of the show, shall we? The dishes that have become synonymous with Indian street food. First up, we have the beloved pani puri. These crispy, hollow balls are filled with a mixture of potatoes, chickpeas, and tangy water, creating a burst of flavor in every bite. Next, we have the iconic dosa, a South Indian delicacy that has captured hearts all over the world. This crispy crepe, made from fermented rice and lentil batter, can be enjoyed plain or with a variety of fillings, from spicy potatoes to savory paneer. And who can forget the humble samosa? This fried or baked pastry, filled with potatoes, peas, and spices, is a staple snack all over India. Whether you enjoy it with a cup of chai on a rainy day or as a quick bite on the go, the samosa is a true crowd pleaser. These are just a few examples of the countless street food delights that await you in India. Each region boasts its own specialties, each more tempting than the last. So come with an empty stomach and a curious palate, and let your taste buds embark on an unforgettable adventure. Subscribe, like, and share Cosmo Academia. Section 4. Beyond the familiar, exploring new culinary adventures.
While the classics are always a good idea, I encourage you to be adventurous. Don't be afraid to step outside your comfort zone and try something new. You might just discover your new favorite dish. Have you ever tried dabali, a spicy potato mixture tucked into a bun and topped with pomegranate seeds and sev? Or what about momos, steamed dumplings filled with vegetables or meat, a Tibetan delicacy that has found a special place in the hearts of Indians? And if you're feeling really daring, why not try the bizarre yet strangely addictive combination of fruit chaat? This sweet and savory treat features a medley of fruits, spices, and sometimes even crunchy noodles. Remember, the beauty of street food lies in its diversity, so don't be afraid to ask questions, try new things, and most importantly, enjoy the ride.
Subscribe, like, and share Cosmo Academia. Section 5. A modern twist, the rise of fine dining in India.
Now, let's shift gears and step into the world of fine dining. Indian cuisine is no stranger to elegance and sophistication. In recent years, there has been a surge in fine dining restaurants that are pushing the boundaries of Indian gastronomy. These culinary wizards are taking traditional flavors and techniques and reinterpreting them with a modern twist. They are sourcing the finest ingredients, experimenting with molecular gastronomy, and creating dishes that are as visually stunning as they are delicious. Chefs are elevating humble street food dishes like pani puri and chaat, transforming them into works of art. Imagine a deconstructed pani puri, where the flavors are presented in separate components, allowing you to appreciate the complexity of each element. Fine dining in India is not just about the food, it's about the entire experience. From the elegant ambience to the impeccable service, every detail is carefully curated to create a truly memorable dining experience.
Subscribe, like, and share Cosmo Academia. Section 6, North to South, Coast to Coast, a culinary journey through India.
Now, let's embark on a culinary journey through the different regions of India, each with its unique flavors and culinary traditions. In the north, we have the rich and creamy curries of Punjab, the aromatic biryanis of Lucknow, and the melt-in-your-mouth kebabs of Delhi. Don't miss the chance to savor the butter chicken, a dish that has become synonymous with North Indian cuisine. Moving south, we encounter a completely different flavor profile. The south is a haven for vegetarians, with its abundance of lentils, rice, and coconut. Indulge in the crispy dosas, fluffy idlis, and flavorful uttapams. And don't forget to try the tangy and spicy sambar and chutneys. Along the coastal regions of India, seafood reigns supreme. From the fiery fish curries of Goa to the delicate prawn dishes of Kerala, the coastal cuisine of India is a seafood lover's paradise.
Subscribe, like, and share Cosmo Academia. Section 7, a culinary legacy preserving tradition, embracing innovation.
As we've seen, Indian cuisine is a beautiful tapestry woven with threads of tradition, innovation, and regional diversity. It's a cuisine that has something to offer everyone, from the adventurous foodie to the comfort food enthusiast. As we move forward, it's important to preserve this rich culinary legacy while embracing new ideas and techniques. We must support our local food artisans, the street food vendors, the home cooks, and the chefs who are keeping the flames of Indian cuisine burning bright. So, the next time you're craving a flavorful adventure, remember the magic of Indian cuisine. Explore its diverse flavors, embrace its vibrant culture, and discover the countless culinary treasures that await you. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. Subscribe, like, and share Cosmo Academia.